दोस्तों गुड आफ्टरनून। मैं आज ऑन द वे था, गुवाहाटी में जा रहा था सोशल और पर्सनल काम के लिए, कुछ सामाजिक काम है वहाँ पर। तो रास्ते में बिहार में केसरिया स्तूप, यहाँ पे बुद्धिस्ट स्तूप केसरिया रास्ते में ऑन द वे हमें मिला, तो बड़ा अच्छा लगा देखकर, बड़ी खुशी हो रही है। ये पीछे देखिए आप, ये भगवान बुद्ध के टाइम का स्तूपा है। ये स्तूपा, बुद्धिस्ट स्तूपा केसरिया was earlier locally known as Deora, or the god of Raja Bena of Puranic tradition. It is believed that this stupa was built at the spot where Buddha offered his alms bowl to the monks who followed him when he departed from Vesali after delivering his last sermon, in which he announced his approaching nirvana. यानी भगवान बुद्ध जब निर्वाणा के आसपास पहुंचने वाले थे, तब उन्होंने लास्ट में इनका लास्ट सरमन जो है वो यहाँ पर जब वैशाली से आ रहे थे, तो उस समय पे जो उन्होंने लास्ट संदेश दिया था अपने श्रावकों को, अपने फॉलोअर्स को, उनको जो उनको भिक्षा दी थी, उनको देशना दी थी, उस समय का ये जो है घटना है। Earlier explored by Mackenzie in 1814 and Cunningham in 1861. Its regular excavations was initiated by Archaeological Survey of India through Patna Circle since 1998 and was subsequently resumed by its stupa structure of bricks, has 6 terraces with cells on the lower 5 terraces. The topmost terrace is surmounted by a cylindrical drum of solid bricks work, about 10 meters high and 22 meters in diameter. The total height of the extant stupa is about 31.5 meters, and its diameter at the base is approximately 123 meters. Recent excavations have indicated the presence of another terrace below the present ground level, in which case the height and diameter of the stupa will be revised upward, making it in the largest stupa in India. The lower 3 terraces contain group of 3 cells, shrines on the 4 cardinal directions as well as their intersections. On the 4th terrace, the flanking cells are smaller, while on the 5th terrace there is only 1 cell. These 2 terraces have cells only on the 4 cardinal directions due to limited space on the reduced perimeter. The 6th or the uppermost terrace has only a cylindrical drum. जैसा हम देख रहे हैं, ऊपर सबसे ऊपर 6th जो है cylindrical drum है, उसके ऊपर the group of cells is separated by satellite or polygonal designs comparable to those at Lauria Nandagad Stupa in West Champaran district. Each terrace is connected to the next upper and lower terrace by a flight of steps concealed within polygonal designs, placed at different locations for different terraces. Possibly all the cells once contained images of Buddha, but they are now preserved only in a few cells and are in a highly dilapidated conditions. The images are placed on a pedestal attached to the back wall of the cell. Some cells also have images on the side walls. Side walls पर भी कुछ cells के images हैं जो हम दिखाएंगे आपको उधर लेकर. These images